over here tucked in, we have a little thing right there called the Wildwood Lightning. Okay, it's a cute little thing. It has a sample engine in it, a great little chord player. And so if we unmute it, and you can select your key, and it's really amazing because what you basically have here is 7 brass stubs only, and yet you're able to play a fully functional piano essentially on it, or any other sample device that you load up. So really a very cool little digital synth with a really unique interface. So I love that about that, and that's really what makes the Wildwood fun.